Okay, I'm doing my video today on Revelation chapter 21 and verse 6, which says, "And he said unto me, It is done. I am Alpha and Omega, the beginning and the end. I will give unto him that is athirst of the fountain of the water of life freely." Okay, we're going to look at some of the numbers of the scripture. But before I do that, we're going to look up the number 737 in Strong's. If I can get my other tablet to work. There we go. All right. I've shown this number before in a previous video, but 737 in Greek Strong's means now, just now, at this moment. Here and now, exactly now, in the immediate present. Okay, so remember that about 737, that represents now, the moment, the present. All right, so Revelation equals 121 is the 21st chapter and the 6th verse. So if you take all those numbers and then you add it to its reverse, it's going to equal 733,337. If you add all the numbers in the middle, it's going to equal 12. 1 plus 2 is 3, so you get 737. And remember, this is talking about the water of life. So this means life. And this means living in the now, the moment, not living in time as we know it. So it's representing that. And you can do it this way. Revelation equals 121. 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4. 2 plus 1 is 3. Then you get your 6, so you get 4, 3, 6. Put its opposite next to it, 6, 3, 4. You see the 4 and 3 make a 7. The 2 6s make a 12. 1 plus 2 is 3. And 3 and 4 makes a 7 again. So again, you got 737, which means now. I did a video on 737. I'll leave a link to it under this one if you want to watch it. What's interesting about 436 is 4 times 36 equals 144. And time equals 144 in Hebrew gematria. So in a way, it's like time and then time going the opposite way. It's like time and anti-time coming together. And that's what's going to stop time. It's going to work perfectly symmetrical so that we can live in the now. It's like the two wings of a bird. They're on opposite sides, but together, they work together so the bird can move. So that's what that represents. And you can look at it this way, 436 plus 634. Adding it, don't carry the number over, like 6 plus 4 is 10, 1 plus 0 is 1. Do that with the rest of the numbers, you get 161. Add to its reverse, not carrying the number over, it's going to equal 232. And 232, all times synchronized, equals 232. So when we're living in the moment, the present. Or you can do it this way too, like you can take this number here, 733, then add it to 733. Don't carry the number over like we did over here. And it's going to do the same thing, it's going to do 232. And water of life, if you take the word water, it equals 67. 6 plus 7 is 13. 1 plus 3 is 4. Of equals 21. 2 plus 1 is 3. Life equals 32. 3 plus 2 is 5. So you get 435. Plus the reverse, 534 is 969. Which I've talked about that a lot. You probably know that. How that represents time and anti-time coming together. Pi equals 69 in Jewish gematria. Pi represents time. Then you get 69 going backwards, so it's like time and anti-time coming together. And time, anti-time, if we put those two words together, it equals 138 plus its reverse, 831 is 969. And all this has to do with symmetry, things working together in perfect harmony, synchronization. Symmetry equals 138 plus its reverse, 831 is 969. So this water of life represents us living in the moment, living forever, being the reflection of God, and that we too will be eternal, living in the moment. Because God is outside of time. He's forever. And what's interesting too is if you look up John 7:37, so you got 7:37 again, in verse 38. Let's see, I had it set up here. Whoops, there it goes. Sorry. All right, so it says, John 7:37, 38. In the last day, that great day of the feast, Jesus stood and cried, saying, If any man thirst, let him come unto me and drink. So it's through Jesus Christ that we're going to gain this water of life. He's the one that's going to give it to us freely. If we have to accept his gift. It's a free gift. And then it says, He that believeth on me, as the scripture has said, out of his belly shall flow rivers of living water. So this only comes through Jesus Christ, and we have to put our faith in that sacrifice. So that's my video for today, and I hope everybody has a good day.